As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Bitcoin cash cost will hit 500 Jabber toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $800 toward the finish of 2025. Bitcoin Cash will ascend to 1,000 Jibber inside the time of 2032 and $1,200 in 2035. Bitcoin Jibber Value Expectation 2024 to 2025. Jibber cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $392.16, so the cost expanded by 51% from the Jibber of the year. The anticipated Bitcoin Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is $660 and the year-to-year change plus 154%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus Jibber 8%. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $697. In the last part, the cost would add $209 and close the year at $906, which is plus 131 Jabber to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash forecast 2026 to 20 Jibber. These 5 years would bring a Jibber Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $906 to $828, which is 9%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $906, then, at that point, take off to 959 ointment Jabber the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $906. That implies plus 131 Jibber from today. Bitcoin Cash Jibber 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $828 to $219, which is plus 47 Jibber. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $828, then, at that point, take off to $881 inside the Jabber portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $934. It is about plus 100 Jibber 8% from today. Jibber 15, 2024. Bitcoin Cash Value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70 Jibber. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $424 ointment 2 Jabber, so the cost expanded by 64% from the start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is 673 Jibber, and the year-to-year change plus 159%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber 58%. In 2024, we hope to see $400 Jabber 4 per 1 Bitcoin Cash. In the main portion of 2025, the ointment Jabber cost will move to $789. In the last part, the cost would add $47 and close the year at $836, which is plus 97% to the ongoing cost. Applesauce Jibber forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $836 to $468, which is up Jabber 6%. Jibber Cash will begin 2026 at $836, then, at that point, take off to $986 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1,064. That implies Jibber 150% from today. Bitcoin Cash forecast 2031 to 20 Jibber 5. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $1,468 to $1,925 Jabber, which is plus 31%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $1,468, then take off to $1,548 Jabber inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,635. It is about plus 285 Jibber from today. Jibber 1st 2024. Bitcoin Jibber Value Expectation 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70 Jibber. Today, Bitcoin Cash Jabber at $459.91, so the cost expanded by 77% from the start of the year. The Guaj Bitcoin Freedom cost toward the finish of 2024 is $600 Jibber $7, and the year-to-year change plus 161%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 47 Jibber. In 2024, we hope to see $467 per 1 Bitcoin Jabber. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $793. In the last part, the cost would add $47 and close the year at $840, which is plus Jabber 3% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash Jibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring in Jibber Bitcoin cash cost would move from $840 to $1,474, which is up 75%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $840. Then, at that point, take off to $991 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1,000 and Jabber ointment. That implies Jibber 133% from today. Bitcoin Cash expectation 20 Jibber 1 to 2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $1,474 to $1,934 disappointment, which is Jibber 31%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $1,474, then take off to $1,500 and Jabber $5 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,642. It is about plus 257 Jibber from today. May Jibber 2024. Bitcoin Cash value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Jibber cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $430.24, so the cost expanded by 66 Jibber from the very start of the year. The ointment Jibber cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $825, and the year-to-year change plus 218%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 92 Jibber. In 2024, we hope to see falla 500 Jabber 2 per 1 Bitcoin Cash. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $873. In the final part, the cost would lose Jibber 8 and close the year at $825, which is plus 92% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash Jibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $825 Jibber to $907, which is up 10%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $825, then jabber to $779 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $907. That Jibber plus 111% from today. Bitcoin Cash expectation 2031 to 20 Jibber 5. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $907 to $1,338, which is plus 48 Jibber. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $907. Then, at that point, take off to $900 Jabber $7 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,027. It is about plus 139 Jibber from today. May 1st, 2024. Bitcoin Cash value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at $259 Jibber cents. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $429 Jabber 4 cents, so the cost expanded by 65% from the very start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin freedom cost toward the finish of 2024 is $800 Jibber dollars, and the year-to-year change plus 215%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus Jibber percent.